Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we're going to make a colorful veggie dish. Penny wants to show you guys what we're going to do. So I'm going to show you all the veggies, and then we'll tell you what we're going to do, and then we'll go do it and come back. All right? We'll be right back. Very colorful dish. Okay. This here dish, I got water that's just starting to come up to just about a boil. We're going to cook some veggies in there. And here I got the big pot. I'm going to turn that on now. And that way we can get that starting to heat up so we can cook the veggies in there. This is almost like a rainbow, but it's a plethora of color. Okay, this is all cauliflower back here. We got an orange one. Looks like a purple or chartreuse. I don't know what color that is. Then you got your standard cauliflower. Then you got your standard broccoli. And here we got a rainbow carrots. So what we're going to do, we're going to try to cook all these, not all the way through. We're going to cook this in portions. I'm not cooking all whole heads of everything. We'll have way too many veggies. But we're going to do this and then make you a nice decorative little plate. When we plate it up, and then we eat it. That's all. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to cut all these up now, and then we'll be back when we put them in the pot. Okay, this shouldn't take too long. Okay, so we cut it up. As you can see, it's pretty colorful already there. That's all the cauliflower back here, the 3 different colors. This is the broccoli, and there's those colorful carrots. Yeah, Penny's like, oh, look at this. It's different color on the inside. I don't know how they do it, but they do it. That's a hybrid. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to start cooking. We're going to put these separate because they're going to take the longest. That's the carrots. I have a separate pot for that. The one behind me, I'm going to put these in first because they're only going to go 5 to 7 minutes. And then back here, they're going to go for, I don't know, maybe 12, maybe 15 minutes. We'll just have to pay attention to them, okay? So we'll be back in about 15 minutes to show you what we got. Okay guys, it's been about 15 minutes, so you can see the multicolored carrots. They all come out good. I think they cooked a little quicker. But yeah, the colors kind of stayed with it. Some of the purple or whatever color that was, that changed color really big time, but it looks good. And it tastes just like cauliflower. So we're going to put something together and show you guys what it looks like when it's done. But it's pretty cool. Different colored veggies. All from the same family. All right. Okay, guys, that's our taste test table. That's our taste test dish. Looks pretty cool. So anyway, we'll meet you at the table. Anyhow, you guys can see clearly that this is, look at that. I mean, seriously, see that? That's nice and colorful. You know, like, I think Penny was talking about, on the Easter deal, got colorful eggs. This would make a nice addition to your table. If you're, having an official dinner, but it'd be like an Easter egg hunt, only with veggies. They're all perfectly done. Funny thing is, you would think, by looking at them with the color, that they would taste like, I don't know, like a plum or something. That's just like cauliflower. Great. This would be nice with, I could eat the whole thing. This would be nice with a little bit of lemon juice on it, or lemon and pepper seasoning on it. Go great as a side dish, but the cooking times, I don't know why today they cook really fast. So, broccoli was done like 6 minutes. Cauliflower was done probably in 8, which is odd. Carrots was the only thing that stood up to time. Okay, so without further ado, this is Mr. Dan saying, when you're out and about, protect yourself as well as others. Wash your hands, wash your hands. When you're out and about, you use the the spray or the gel, sanitizing spray or gel. Wash your hands in the car before you drive off. Don't talk with your mouth full unless it's another nutritious dish just like this. Give us a like, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't yet. When you do, a bell come up. When that does, hit it. That way you'll get notified of each time we have another video. And also, there's a little arrow down button right below the video screen. You hit that, drop down box will come down. It'll give you the link to our Facebook page, Cook with Mr. Dan. Also a link to my daughter's artwork page, and give you a complete recipe and what we did. So this is Mr. Dan saying stay home, my friends. This will make a nice addition to your Easter. Come back when you are hungry. We'll see you later. Bye.